Yo, what's up, YouTube? Before the video starts, I'm here to tell you to turn your volume down. This video is so loud. Turn it down, or your ears will be eviscerated. Turn it down? Okay, good. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Toodles.
Yeah. Bro, what the fuck? Gave me the sucky, that shit was immaculate. I just got a Glock pussy, boy, I'm not having it. Man, Chris got the bitches, no cap, that is accurate. Gucci my body, I look so extravagant. I'm slamming that boy for the chill, like what's happening. I came for the bitches, not looking for average. I like me a J, I'm broken in half of it. You not tryna fuck? I'm sorry, bitch, you gotta go. And I'm not getting sloppy.
Yes. Get the fuck out my fucking cake, dirty ass nigga. You like a fucking bicycle store, bitch. That nigga, you ugly as fuck. You orange, you buffalo flowing out, nigga. You fucking left, bitch. That nigga, you ugly as fuck. You fucking. Did you hear that nigga? Fuck out of you. I'm gonna do a thing, cool, man. Put that nigga, you too much. The fuck out my fucking cake, ugly ass nigga. You just doing shit. You fucking friend, fine, man. Look at that nigga. Hell out of here. I'm gonna fucking hit you, friend, fine. Look at that nigga. Dance with TV, bitch. That nigga ugly as fuck. Fuck is you talking about? You fucking Samsung TV, bitch. That nigga, you ugly as fuck. You ugly ass man. Look at that nigga. You fucking close finger, bitch. That nigga. Oh god, I'm gonna fucking you. You get your motherfucking nose up close to me, percent nigga. Nigga, I'm back on your fucking you, nigga. You fucking carry Joe, bitch. That nigga ugly ass man in that yellow hat, bitch. That nigga, you ugly as fuck. Fuck out of here, stupid that nigga. Mother Snoop Dogg, boy. Look at that nigga, ugly ass fucking Mother Snoop. No, not Mother Snoop. Animation, look at that nigga. I'm on your fucking head. You fucking bicycle extension, look at that nigga. My nigga, why you should have been like a bicycle nigga? You that nigga. Fuck out of here, stupid that nigga. You fucking big ass import bitch, nigga. I'm on your fucking head, you dirty bitch. Okay, back to the story, nigga. I'm still your fucking dirty ass nigga. You like a fucking intersection of Ken, ugly ass nigga. Fuck is you talking about?